What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where we are going to have a look into a smartwatch from UMIDIGI model UFit with all new and trending blood oxygen monitor SpO2 and a blood pressure monitor. Also have a feature of all-day heart rate monitoring, tracking of your sleep, 9 sport mode, a personal coach on your wrist, and your swimming companion with a 5 ATM waterproof rating. Still have a couple of features in the list like a sedentary reminder, calls and message alert, remote music control, and a very user-friendly interface application available for Android as well as for iOS users, and also come with the battery life of up to 10 days. Available in multiple color. I will throw a link in the video description for you to check out, and I'm sure you will find the watch color which suit your taste. Now just before we deep dive into the video, I would like to request a favor. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe for more too. Here on my channel you tend to see all type of tech product reviews where I get my hands onto and show you each and everything a typical user wanted to know about the product. Now within the packaging you get operating instructions which are multi-language supporting, explaining to you each and everything about this smartwatch. Thank you note from manufacturer, one dedicated USB charging cable which is coupled with magnets. Make sure you always get the right connectivity and also prevents the cross between the wires. Now in last but not least, we have a UFit Smartwatch where in the front we have a LCD display and a return button, and on the back heart rate and SpO2 sensor. Now wrist strap which came with the smartwatch are soft in material and interchangeable too, and the quality of strap is way better than my expectation. I can actually compare this with my Huawei GT2e. There is no power button on smartwatch, and to activate you need to charge it. And the application you need to interface your smartwatch with your mobile phone is called UFit Pro. Now to bind your smartwatch with the UFit Plus application is very easy and straightforward too, by going into the devices and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your mobile phone and click onto the bind device. Now from the list select your smartwatch and click on confirm bind device. You're going to hear the notification on your smartwatch as well. Let's have a very quick look within the smartwatch menu, which is very intuitive and user friendly. Where to see the notification, swap your finger from top to bottom. Here you're going to see all the notification which came from your mobile phone. Open the one you would like to see. From here you cannot actually reply back. Only thing you can do is delete this message. By pressing the return key you can come back to the main messages, or scroll down. Whatever messages are here you're going to see them here. By press of one button you can delete them too. If you swipe from bottom to top, you're going to see all information about your fitness, how many steps you have taken, how many calories you burn, how many miles, and every information available in here. This same information would be also transferred to your UFit Pro application. By swiping from left to right, you're going to see the shortcut menu where you can turn on the heart rate sensor, wristband feature, or NDT on and off, as well as find your mobile phone. And now finally, if you swipe from right to left, where you're going to access all the features, starting with the turning on sports mode, heart rate sensor, blood oxygen, blood pressure, relax alarm, music controller, and timer. Down below here you also have a settings. Now within the settings tab you have got option to change the dials whatever you like, adjust the brightness, and shut down or reset if you want to. Now here we have all 4 faces available on the smartwatch. Now all 4 faces are unique and predefined and do not have another option to change them at all. Now within smartwatch you also have a continuous heart rate sensor. Very accurate if I'm comparing with my high-end smartwatch. Then we have a blood saturation. Help you to understand the oxygen saturation within your blood. Very important factor for being healthy. The smartwatch can also measure the blood pressure, which kind of actually works. I have tested it against the analog one. Option to relax is also there for 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can just play this kind of wizard and it will tell you to breathe in and breathe out. You can also set alarms or run a stopwatch timer. And by using music controller, you can actually launch the music on your mobile phone device. Fast forward, rewind, play and pause as well. Sports mode, where you can select what are you doing actually, running, walking, whatever. Let's suppose running. it will launch the wizard. Okay, off it goes. Now it will be recording your heart rate at the same time as the GPS location of your mobile phone. Keep scrolling down, you're going to know how many calories you burn. And if you like to run the music as well, you can turn it on from your mobile phone straight on your earbuds if you have them. Now to turn off this run mode, press and hold return key and press yes on it. That will be all. Now all the data you have on your fitness tracker will be synchronized with the VeryFit Pro application. Now within this application, you're going to see all the information, that how many steps you have taken, how many calories you have burned, and how long you have slept as well, and how was your sleep pattern. You can also record your blood pressure and it will be available within the app. Now application itself is very user friendly and come with so many other options. You can go into the detail, see each and everything how you're doing over the weekend, or you can go within the device and select what you would like to do within it. Would you like to have a call alerts? Would you like to have a sedentary alarms? If you're sitting down somewhere for longer, you can watch will warn you actually, and so much more in here. Very easy and straightforward option. If you scroll through that, you will know that what is up to. You can also create your personalized profile too, where you can set your target, information about yourself, or you can link with the third-party applications like a Google Fit or Trava, if I'm pronouncing it right, guys. If I'm wrong, let me know too as well. And by pressing the synchronize button here, you will be uploading your data on a cloud. And if you can see yourself, if you can break the record within the tracking detail in here. Now there we go. We are in the end of this video. I have shown you each and everything about the smartwatch you should know about before making a call, purchasing it, as well as shown your mobile phone application briefly, guys. But that is enough to know that is that product for you or not, I suppose. If I have missed anything, guys, please do let me know in the comment section down below. Now the question is, will I recommend this smartwatch? Now honestly speaking, watch itself has got a quite decent amount of future. Now honestly speaking, smartwatch come with the watch come with a very decent amount of feature, works great. Now here we are in the end of this video. I have shown you each and everything you wanted to know about this smartwatch to make your call easier, that is this smartwatch worth buying or not. Come with all the feature you expect in typical smartwatch: sport mode, heart rate monitor, SpO2, as well as the blood pressure. But still, if you have any reservation, do let me know in the comment section down below. Would be happy to help you with that. And if you'd like to purchase this smartwatch, link is available in the video description, or like to know more about it too. Now that would be completely all from my side. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.